hate to say it, even the poop plant is looking good tonight. If you're new to the channel, welcome to Alpha Kilo Warrior Aviation Entertainment, departing out of Hartford-Brainard, heading south. We got the cold Connecticut River to our left, Wethersfield Cove to our right, and I-91 below us. If you happen to be driving home this Thursday, January 22nd, 2026, and saw the sky, this is what it looked like at 2,000 feet. So here's a challenge for you. Let's see who can come up with the best adjective for this evening's sky. Leave me a comment and we'll pick a winner. We're headed north now over Woodland Street in southern Glastonbury. Incorporated in 1693, this 52.2 square mile town is rich in farmland. If you're looking for a Christmas tree, like strawberries, or are into trains, check out Cabana's Farm. Coming up to Hopewell Road now, and as I'm doing my research, something caught my eye. I saw the Mixing Bowl, so I went on their website and I immediately was hungry for some of these delicious treats. If you've been to the Mixing Bowl, leave me a comment. The Connecticut River is snaking its way into Hartford in the upper left. If you're from the area in Glastonbury and you recognize some of these streets, leave me a note in the comments. Be sure to like and share this video if you are enjoying it. As we're tracking the Hartford VOR into Hartford-Brainard, flying over Buttonball Lane and Buttonball Elementary School, we got Glastonbury High School in the upper right-hand corner. If you're from East Haven, Branford, North Haven, or Hamden, be sure to check out my previous two videos from earlier in the week, Sleeping Giant Flyover and a landing into Tweed, New Haven, which is actually in East Haven, Connecticut. Connecticut has some amazing, beautiful scenery. I love flying over Connecticut. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more Connecticut aviation entertainment. Have a sparkling day. Hopefully you have a working snowblower for the snow that's hitting us today. I'll see you next week. I'd like to thank and welcome Brian D. to Alpha Kilo Warrior channel membership, who has early access to weekly videos and exclusive members-only videos.